What's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode here on my channel. Today's again a very special day because we're gonna change the wheels on the Lambo, and that's why we're gonna head with two cars, with the Lambo, with Sunny and with Noemi, to the body shop. Are you in? She's in. Because I was away for 1 week, I decided to put on the Lambo the cover so it's protected from dust, and now I will take it off and we are heading to the body shop. Yo, there we go. We're gonna go to the tire shop where I usually used to change my tires for all my cars. It's a 10 minutes drive, not too far away. It's been quite a long time that I changed the wheels on the Lambo because I was always on the run, or the Lambo was in work. We were changing the wrap and the underglow. There was pretty much going on with the car, and that's why I didn't quite make it to change the wheels again. But I'm happy that I can do it now after Miami, after all the things that were going on with the M8. It was at KW. It's gonna be back in a couple of days. That means exactly 2 days, and we can start finally modding the car. I've been waiting so long for this moment as well. It's been like 6 weeks that the car was with KW in order to develop the suspension, and I've been really missing it. I got some pictures of the car already lowered and it looks fantastic. It had unfortunately just the stock wheels on it. Once it gets back home, we're gonna mount also on this car a brand new set of wheels that I'm really looking forward to see, because it's a brand new one and I didn't see it so far on any car. That means the same set of wheels, I mean the same design, will be now mounted on the Lambo, and in about 2-3 days we're gonna put it as well on the M8. It's gonna be amazing. It looks fantastic, I can assure you. Not only the wheel design itself, but also the color combo, because I chose something really special that I believe it's gonna be really epic on the car, together with the gold on the ceramic brakes, because the center is one color, the lip is another color, and I really believe it's gonna be like massive. Can't wait to see that. There we go, guys. It's getting exciting. We just arrived. I think we have to wait a few minutes until we can get the car inside, and then it's going to happen.
What's up, dude?
Thing is so low, we always have to lift it up, and even lift it, I have no idea if we're gonna make it to put it on the ramp. But I think we are ready to go. Always the same issues. Car too low, lower it gets, the more problems you get. It's like with money. The more money you get, the more problems you have. The lower the car is, the more problems you have. Perfect. Hey yo, we finally made it. It was a little bit of a struggle, but we are used to it, and now we're gonna take off the wheels, take down the tires from the old wheels, and we're gonna put the tires on the brand new wheels right there. Come with me, I will show you. The new wheel design. Just need to check where the wheels are. Wanna see the new wheels? Let's go. Dark brush black tint with a gloss black lip. Exposed hardware in black. 2-piece forged. Brand new design with hollow spokes that go together with the spokes in the middle. Fantastic. This is 12 by 21 for the rear, and we have 8.5 by 20 for the front. That means rear and front are different. Rear is bigger, front is smaller. This is how it should be, and this is how it looks. Fantastic. Well, the wheels are now down. We just took them off the car. But the biggest problem was not taking off the wheels or taking off the tires from the wheels, but putting the car on the ramp because it's so low. And in addition to that, it has also the side skirts in carbon fiber that you don't see the spots where you usually like put the car on the ramp, and it's difficult to see them. And because you don't see them, you just need to guess it, and it's very dangerous to damage the side skirts. But the guys here are very professional and they took very good care of this issue as well. And well, they seem to proceed pretty fast. And yeah, I'm gonna wait until it's done. I made a small mistake because when we uploaded the car in Noemi's A5, I accidentally took one with me that doesn't belong to the Lambo. It's for another car. That means we have 3 wheels for the Lambo and one that is wrong. And that's why Noemi had to get back home. Can't wait to see this design on the car. It's something completely new and it has never been mounted on any car so far. That means that's the first set basically that is going to go on a car of this specific wheel design, and I'm really proud and lucky to have this opportunity to mount like my wheel design that I created myself on my car that is earned by myself and stuff. Wow guys, wheels are mounted. I'm very happy, it looks fantastic. And that's why I want you to see this.
Young money. Young fuck.
Yeah. Ride with the mob, hum through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Earth is the name, been ballin' did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain chain. Lamborghini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes, the feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures, causing my hysteria. Mama see me on BET and start tearing up. I start killing niggas, how'd you get that truck? I attended Holocaust when you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that